power of habits, quietly present in our day-to-day, yet paramount in the pursuit of progress. To stay competitive in manufacturing, businesses must dare to adopt new habits to constantly fine-tune, optimize, and evolve. Cutting costs, mastering technology, simplifying complexities. It's about driving resilient change, about looking at challenges holistically, meeting them calmly, responsibly, and with purpose. This is how we work with our customers and partners every day. This is what we call manufacturing wellness. It's a set of healthy habits built from decades of experience and collaboration that shape thriving, sustainable businesses. Manufacturing wellness, creating value today while gearing up for the future.